In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a date column in ClickUp. Date tracking 2026. By the end, you'll have a clear, clean way to track deadlines and milestones right inside your task list. Start by opening your browser and heading to clickup.com. Sign in to your ClickUp account using your preferred option, whether that's email or a connected service. Once you're in, you'll land on your ClickUp homepage. This is your central dashboard, and from here we'll jump into the exact list where you want to track dates. Look to the left sidebar to find your spaces and projects. We're heading into the area where your tasks live. Click into the space and folder that contain the list you want to work with, then open that list. You should now see your tasks in a table-style view, with column headers across the top. On the far right of that header row, you'll see a small plus icon that lets you add a new column. Click that plus icon to open the column picker. If your board has many columns and the plus icon isn't visible, try scrolling horizontally to the right until you see it. In the column picker, use the search bar to quickly locate the date field. Typing date will surface the date option among the available field types. When you see it, click date to add it to your list. The column will appear instantly alongside your other fields and is ready for input. Here's what that date column does and how to make the most of it. The date field is designed for time-based tracking. Think due dates, target launch days, review checkpoints, or any milestone that needs a specific day. In many setups, you can choose a single date or a date range if you want to capture both a start and end date. If your workflow requires precision, you can also include time with your dates. Or keep it all day for simpler scheduling. Once the column is in place, you can click into any cell to pick a date from the calendar. Dates you add are fully usable across ClickUp. You can sort your list by the date column to bring the nearest deadlines to the top, filter to show only items due this week or next, and group tasks by date to see work clustered by time frame. This makes it easy to spot what's urgent and what's upcoming at a glance. That's it. You went to ClickUp, signed in, opened your list, added a date column, and learned how it supports clear, consistent date tracking. Use it to keep your tasks aligned with your schedule and make your project timelines obvious to everyone on your team.